If you're a tech founder and looking for advice on cyber insurance, I think this video will be helpful. I'll go over briefly what cyber insurance covers, why it's critically important, and then dive into how much you should purchase. Hi, I'm Gordon Coyle. Welcome to my channel where we talk about the risk and insurance issues on the minds of business owners. As an expert insurance broker, my job is to help make you a more informed insurance buyer. If I don't completely answer the question on your mind that brought you to this video, let me know, drop me an email or give me a call. I'd love to hear from you. All right, so briefly, what does cyber insurance cover? Cyber insurance is designed to respond to the various threats and attacks a business may face from outside malicious hackers. And this can include privacy breaches, hacking attacks, phishing attacks, malware infections, ransomware attacks, virus, social engineering, wire transfer frauds, and much more. The policy responds to the financial damages you suffer directly, known as first-party damages, which can include things like payment of notification costs, business interruption costs from a ransomware attack, extortion payments themselves, forensics, legal and regulatory costs, and more. Then there are third-party damages, which are lawsuits you may face from failing to protect sensitive data and media liability. Finally, the policy often includes cyber crime coverage for wire transfer frauds. So, why is cyber insurance critically important for a tech firm? There's a variety of reasons, but one of the key risk issues facing tech firms is the vast quantity of sensitive data collected and stored that makes them attractive targets for hackers. And that leads us to the crux of this discussion. How much cyber insurance is enough for a tech company? Like a lot of answers, the answer to this one is it depends. It depends on what your company does, how much private data you hold, what your customers require in terms of limits, what you feel comfortable with, and how much protection your budget can support. From a very practical standpoint, most tech startups purchase just $1 million in cyber coverage. But what we're seeing is once the client lands a nice contract, their customer is demanding $5 million or more in cyber limits, which we can get and comply with. Something else we recommend is that when we go out to market or shop for cyber for a new client, we often seek alternate quotes. We'll get the standard $1 million quote, but we'll also ask underwriters for what their $2 and $3 million options are. And what we're seeing right now is that there's not a huge difference between $1 million and $3 million. Yeah, it's more premium, but it's also 3 times the amount of coverage, and it may be the wisest choice. The point is that we want to give you the option so you have a comfort level. The bottom line is that cyber threats and risks only grow every day. The potential for very significant claims exist, and in my opinion, having more protection than less is a wise choice. I've never had a client tell me in the middle of a claim that they wish they had saved $1,500 and bought less coverage. You're more likely to suffer a loss from a cyber incident than any other type of claim. So I think that higher limits provide you peace of mind at a relatively low cost. If you're looking for help with your insurance buying decisions and want to work with an expert in the tech field, give me a call or drop me an email. My contact info is in the description box below, and I'd love to hear from you. Here are 2 more videos you may find interesting. Thanks for watching.